Hi, and welcome back to Semantics. This is the third clip in our Semantics series. In the first clip, we dealt with the most important and influential ideas behind the structure of signs. In the second clip, we talked about how linguists are able to describe what words mean. Head right over there if that interests you. Today, we will be talking about connotation. You might find this word familiar, and maybe you've already used it in your English or your German lessons at school. Connotation is the aspect of meaning that is connected to emotion, style, and association of near synonyms. But what does that mean exactly? Let's have a look at an example. Puke, chunder, throw up, vomit, and be sick. All these words basically describe the same process, namely that of reverse eating. Ew. Nonetheless, you wouldn't use each of these words in the same context. When talking to your friend about your sick platypus, you might say, all my clothes are covered in puke. However, if you went to the vet with your platypus, you would probably say, the poor thing has been sick all night, instead of saying, it wouldn't stop chundering. That's why we speak of near synonyms, because although the signified is basically the same, there are those little differences in meaning and usage that matter a lot. We say the word's meanings differ in connotation. As we said, the usage of a word would depend on a context. Firstly, the suitable expression changes according to the communicative setting. Secondly, by whatever expression is used, the speaker's positive or negative attitude can be expressed. And thirdly, a particular expression characterizes the speaker's age or sophisticatedness. You see, we have now not dealt with the word and its meaning separately, but have started to compare different words and their meanings. What follows from this is that the meaning of different words are connected, and that understanding triggers association. Like in our next topic, the frame. A frame can loosely be described as a portion of knowledge of the world. This knowledge is made up of concepts that are connected to each other. And this connection is so close that mentioning one element activates the entire frame, like a domino effect. So when you hear the word restaurant, you don't need the explanation of what a restaurant is. It's a place where you can order a meal off a menu. And if you're very rich, you might order yourself a dessert. However dim the lights are, there might be a particular kind of ambient music. No matter where you are, your aperitif will probably be served by a waitress. And in the end, you pay a bill. In fact, hearing the word restaurant activates the frame and all the handy-dandy concepts in your brain that help you understand. So you see, frame is quite different from connotation. But let's recap this. Both connotation and frame deal with meaning of words and meanings of different words that are connected to each other. Connotation deals with near synonyms and their occurrence in different communicative settings, the speaker's emotional position, and their age and status. Frames deal with portions of knowledge that are connected in our minds. It looks at how entire concepts of the world are understood by mentioning only a detail, and how this detail causes the entire concept to unravel in our brains so we understand it. So much to connotation and frames. The next chapter of our semantics journey deals with the so-called prototype theory, for which we will be returning briefly to our trusty feature semantics.